Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some hi-fi sound quality studio headphones. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing some studio hi-fi sound quality headphones from the company OneOdio. And the great thing about these headphones is they have hi-fi sound quality. So if you guys are, making music or you're listening to music, you guys can get those clean audio from these headphones. DJs can use it, producers can use it, just people who like to have a love of music can also use and utilize these headphones to get a huge dynamic range of whatever they're listening to. But before we get into all the juicy details, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you guys want to potentially work with me, or if you need photo assistance, you guys can contact me through that business inquiries email. And then also, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about these studio hi-fi sound quality headphones, product information, and also the link to purchase this product is down below in the description. You guys can check it out to get more information and also the link to purchase these headphones. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging is really sophisticated with this headphones. As I spin it around, you guys can see there's a few specifications and details about these headphones, but we're all gonna move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. As you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says OneOdio. It says hi-fi sound quality, line and microphone, 3.5mm to 6.35mm audio jack, and it's also comfortable to wear, and this is obviously the studio hi-fi headphones. This is a picture of the headphones itself on the side right here. You can get black or you can get silver. In our case, I think we have silver. As I flip it onto this side, just the same specifications and details as I just mentioned. On the back side, there's more specifications. You guys can take a pause and read that if you're interested in that kind of info. And then that's basically it for the sides of the box. So in order to actually open up this box, all you need to do is open up this back flap, pull back, and then take this, lift it up, pull back, and you guys can see we are instantly greeted with the contents of this box. We do have a drawstring bag, which is where the headphones are inside. Inside the packaging, we do get our accessories. I think that's everything inside the packaging. So what I'm gonna do is actually move this box off to the side so we have more space to work with, and also more room to kind of just see everything. Before we take a look at the headphones again, let's actually just open up this bag and pull the contents out just like this. I'm gonna put this bag off to the side, but you guys can see this is our regular auxiliary cable. It does have a microphone and it does have a button that you guys can utilize when making phone calls or listening to music and stuff. So that's really good that they included that. And we got a 6.35mm audio jack cable. You guys can see this is like for studio equipment usually has this, different receivers and stuff like that. They all usually have this jack that you guys need to insert in. But like I said earlier, this headphones does have a 6.5mm and also a 3.5mm audio jack input. This is the user manual right here. You guys can get a lot of useful information with setting up this product in this user manual, and I do recommend you guys reading this, especially if it's your first time setting up these headphones. And we also got a products card. You guys can register this headphones and get warranty for your product. But now let's actually take a look at what everybody's been waiting for. All we need to do is open up this drawstring bag, pull out these headphones, and you guys can see it looks really stylish. But this is how the headphones look like right at the beginning, or I should say right off the bat. They look really nice and presentable. I really love the finishing it's giving off. It's really durable. This is what I like about OneAudio's headphones. They're very durable. Like right here feels like if I drop this, I'm not worried about it cracking and breaking off. The material that they made to make these headphones is very durable. The cushioning for the ear cups are really big and also really very comfortable to wear. But we're all gonna test that out and actually, actually demonstrate that later on in the video. We do get our indications for what is left and what is right. We do got OneAudio imprint on the top of the headphones. I forgot to mention that. And this is where our jacks are. So we have the 6.35mm jack right here, and then we also have our 3.5mm audio jack on the left side. So you can also extend these to your desired length or put them back up. Same thing with the other side, and put them back up. It looks really presentable. I love the finishing and the color aspect or the design that they gave off with these headphones. And you guys can see, the cups kind of move around like this. They're not swivel, but you can kind of move them up and down depending on like how you're kind of using these headphones. But right now, all that's left to do is move on to the testing and demonstration portion where we test out these studio headphones. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is actually put these headphones on a stand so we can, admire just the beauty of these headphones. Look at that, it looks really nice and presentable, and now we are ready to rock and roll. So in our case, I'm not gonna be, actually, you know what? Let's use this cable right here, which is the 6.35mm audio jack. All you need to do is insert this end into the compartment of these headphones. And like I said earlier, these headphones don't have Bluetooth, so you're only wired. So let's pick a song here. Let me plug this into my laptop. And let me put these on too. So I'm gonna put my left side on and also my right side on. So hopefully this doesn't mess up my hair too much, but let me extend it first actually, so it doesn't mess up my hair too much. And we're gonna set this on top of my head. First things first, there is a slight bit of noise cancellation. As I'm speaking right now, I can feel and also hear myself a little bit muffled. It's not entirely strong, but there is a little bit of noise cancellation. These headphones do have a tight and snug fit. My ear is able to fit inside perfectly fine, as you guys can see. And as I shake around, these headphones are not coming off. So we are ready to proceed to test out and actually give a demonstration with music. So let me play a song. Okay. Not bad. Okay, I'm about 40% at the volume, just surpassed 50%, and I'm just gonna increase it all the way to 100% and give you guys what I think about the sound quality. But so far it sounds really nice. And the music, let me just tell you, it's getting me dancing. I can hear the crisp audio from these headphones. It sounds really nice. The bass isn't too heavy, the mids and the highs and the lows aren't too heavy, but they're really what the song or the producer actually produced. It's not like giving one aspect of the music too much characteristic. And it's kind of broadening all the aspects into one, if you know what I'm saying. But honestly, it does sound really nice. But let me just kind of hear up the music a little bit. Do. And let me give you guys a sound test. So let me take these off real quick. Sounds really nice, but let me put this up to the microphone. And you guys can see the audio just sounds really nice with these headphones. We could test this out with another song. So let me put these back on and find another song to test out. This is a different type of music. I think this is like R&B. So let's just listen to this and see how this sounds. But so far the music sounds really nice. Ooh. Wow. Do 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 do. But honestly, these headphones got me up and jumping right now. This quality sounds really nice. You know, if you're looking for budget headphones, you know, check these out. You know, they have studio hi-fi quality, so you can utilize these headphones, I should say, and get a nice sounding, you know, quality music. But so far, the music sounds really nice with the 2 songs I've already tested out. But let me give you guys a sound test real quick. But you guys can see the audio of these studio headphones sound amazing. They're not bad, you know, the quality is pretty good. If you're just, you know, if you're an active music listener, getting one of these, you know, just to, you know, do basic activities, or if you're a professional, you make music and stuff, you can utilize these studio hi-fi quality sound headphones to get a huge dynamic of the music. But this is a fantastic product. I love the cushioning, and these headphones just give a snug fit when I do wear them. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this OneOdio Studio Hi-Fi quality studio headphones? Honestly, it's not bad. The quality is there. You know, I really love how durable these headphones are. Let me just say that. The quality is really there, especially with the top padding part. Like, it's not flimsy, and I just really appreciate that. You know, and also the cushioning for the ears and also the ear cups themselves, they feel really durable and nice and comfortable to wear. You know, I've had headphones that you wear them for a long extended period of time and your ears just kind of get all bunched up and it starts heating up in a way. I don't know if you guys know what feeling I'm talking about, but with these headphones, my ears are able to fit right inside, so I'm not gonna have that issue with these headphones. But honestly, it is a fantastic studio hi-fi quality sound headphone. So if you're looking for some hi-fi quality studio headphones, I do recommend checking this out. But anyways, we are gonna end off this video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. And if you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this studio hi-fi quality headphone, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. Make sure you guys follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. If you need to contact me, my business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can contact me through that business inquiries email. If you need assistance or if you're a company wanting to work with me, you guys can reach me with that email address. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out these headphones, product information and also the link to purchase these studio hi-fi quality sound headphones will be down below in the description. But right now, that is going to end off this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I didn't make it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.